Good morning, third graders. Today you are going to be doing some rereading in Dr. Know-All to think about what was the lesson that we learned from this story. Now, you might find that it's a little similar to what we read about in The Three Spinsters. Just like the main character in The Three Spinsters, our main character in Dr. Know-All, Crab, is very lucky. Remember, he guesses things correctly even though he's not sure who the thieves are or what food is hiding in the dishes. Often, a really good place to look for the central message is at the end of the story. So let's read the last paragraph, paragraph 28. It says, "Then Crab showed the Lord where the money was, but he did not say who had stolen it. And so both the thieves and the Lord paid Dr. Know-All a very large reward. Word of this good doctor's deeds spread, and he became a rich and renowned man." Now we found out at the end of the story that Crab gets a really happy ending. And the way that I know that is because it says he became a rich and renowned man. So let's think about, how did he become a rich and renowned man? What happened to him that helped him in the story? And does it remind you of the lesson that we talked about from The Three Spinsters? Go ahead and jot your thoughts on the next slide.